respect of investment frauds, there is no typical length of time that a case will take, because in respect of investigations, they can take years, many years, where authorities are trailing through paper trails, looking through computers, seizing telephones, obtaining witness statements, looking at bank accounts, bank statements. In respect of many cases regarding land banking fraud, those cases take place abroad, so it's then liaising with other countries to try and find out information. The essential point, though, is that it is necessary, even though it may take years, to instruct a solicitor to be involved from the outset. Generally as well, there's a police investigation at the early stages, or the prosecuting authority, where they'll ask a client to come in to be spoken to, and that evidence or that interview, if charged, will form part of the evidence, and therefore again it is necessary to obtain legal advice. If at that point they are then charged, it falls into the court process, and that does have more timelines and is governed by the criminal procedure rules. But again, the actual length of the trial, the time to get into trial, is all case dependent. There isn't a typical case, and then following on from that, if convicted, there will be a sentence, and generally in these cases there then follows proceeds of crime applications as well. And there are also other applications that fall within those investigations in respect of restraint orders, and as Sean says, the whole process can have a damning effect on a client, and in respect of restraint, they may restrain assets that cease businesses, that affect people's personal lives. So again, I reiterate that even though there's no specific timescales, it is important that you do get legal advice from an early stage.